An hourly backup job for 7 Hyper-V VMs has been configured at the main site, keeping 14 days worth of backup files. They want to get a copy of the VM backups to a repository at the disaster recovery site. Okay, they want to keep 2 months worth of backup files at the disaster recovery site. They also need to be able to restore the VMs to any given day. Any given day is a very specific requirement here, within 2 months, and want to minimize the storage used at disaster recovery. How should a backup copy job be configured to meet these requirements? Okay, let's maybe take a look down here. Use immediate copy mirroring mode. Okay, so in that case, we want to have 14 days, and we want to have more than 14 days. We want to have 2 months at the DR side. And here it says 14 days of retention and 10 weekly. Now the problem is it said we need to be able to restore to any given day within 2 months. But with option 1 here, as soon as I go beyond 14 days, I can't go to any given day because suddenly we only have weekly points. So that doesn't seem like a viable option here. Next one is immediate copy, keeping 62 days of retention. So see, this seems to be more like the right option. Because 62 days, right? 2 months of 31 days would give you 62 days. Pruning mode, keeping 14 days retention to monthly. So again, see, this wouldn't give me the daily option. And then periodic copy pruning mode, keeping 62 days of retention. So we're down to this one here, option 2 or option 4. Now the thing is, with this option up here, we're basically looking to copy them immediately. Whereas this one down here is not. I am pretty confident that we need to go with periodic copy here. Why not immediate copy? Why not immediate copy? 7 VMs, 14 days. Let's see if we can figure something out here. Back to looking at a backup copy job. And we need to find something about the modes. So here they're getting copied as soon as they appear, which is okay. And we're talking about backups of vSphere or Hyper-V. This was Hyper-V, so that should be fine. Once in an interval. So maybe that's the thing here, right up here. 2 months worth of backups. They want to be able to restore them to any given day and minimize storage used. So this one up here, in the event that we create multiple restore points, they could potentially still get copied, where with periodic copy, we're only going to do it once a day. Let's see here if we say create a job, copy mode. So we can say copy once every days. About the retention here. There's no screenshot here. No. Exclude. Oh, we don't want to do that. No. Retention settings. Okay. So here we could say how many days we would want to keep, and this would be 62. We're not doing any GFS here. I don't see anything in particular here that's really forcing us to go with either of these, but just in the sense that if something, here we are, I missed the first part, an hourly backup job, right? This is the thing. So it's running every hour. Here we are. So if I used immediate copy, right, it would copy it every hour, which we don't want to do. So periodic copy would mean we can do this once a day. That's where it's at. So we don't want to copy every hour. That would be too much because we wanted to minimize storage used. So by using periodic copy, we can copy just once a day, and we would set the retention here to 62 days. So it's got to be periodic copy because there's a difference between how often the source job is running and how often we want to copy. And regardless of the mode, we want to set the retention to 62 days. So that's where it's at.